Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road. In today's video is going to be introducing a product that very few of you probably know exists. And that's going to be our brand new collaboration exhaust with Banks Power for the 2017 and up Super Duty trucks. The factory Super Duty exhaust on any of the 2011 up in trucks for some reason is one of the most hated exhaust tips. I don't really know why. It doesn't look horrible. However, for years customers have had us replace it with various options from different manufacturers. When we moved to the aluminum body trucks, the Banks Power exhaust hands down became the most common filter back replacement setup that we offered. However, somewhere in the aluminum duty setup, Carli came out with their trophy hitch. If you're not familiar with what the trophy hitch is, it is a complete new hitch assembly for underneath the truck that allows you to run up to a 38 by 1350 spare tire underneath the truck, so therefore you're no longer utilizing your bed space, using a hitch carrier or anything like that. It is a very cool product, and we do have specific videos on that product. However, when you did introduce that much heavier hitch with all the box construction, the strap that goes along with holding your new tire in, etc., it greatly limited the amount of options that we had for exhaust, and none of the options on the market currently worked, or at that time worked with the exhaust. And that's where we went to Banks. They're local here to us in Southern California. If you drive a diesel truck, you have definitely heard of Gale Banks. Their reputation precedes them. And then we came together and created a very cool product from both what we needed and an already existing product that they had, and that is going to be the CJC Banks Trophy Exhaust. One of the first questions we're going to get is, how does this sound? Now, these clips can speak for themselves. However, I do think it sounds relatively stock. With that said, the reason that it does sound stock is because this is DPF filter back exhaust. Why that's important, it is fully smog legal no matter which state you're in, even California. It's going to be warranty compliant. My personal truck has had this exhaust and has gone in for an emissions warranty complaint. The exhaust never came up. In fact, they came up and they said, hey, that's a nice exhaust. Who makes it? And so for any of these things, it's going to sound very OEM, but it's going to solve two issues. First, with the trophy hitch, you actually do have to make a slight modification to your OEM exhaust. This is going to be a bolt-on replacement, so if you are buying the trophy hitch, order this exhaust as well. You're going to replace the exhaust from the filter back, and it's not going to require any grinding or cutting to clear the trophy hitch. And lastly, which is most important for almost anyone watching this video, it gets rid of the much hated 6.7 Super Duty exhaust tips, with a much simpler exhaust tip. That tip is a black Cerakote exhaust tip, so it's going to last a long time. Also, speaking of construction, it is a full stainless exhaust system, so when you do shop or compare this even to other exhausts on the market, you'll see aluminized and a lot of buzzwords. That is just a shortcut to get to a little bit of element resistance, while this is a truly stainless steel exhaust. This is going to be, again, a complete filter back exhaust, stainless steel construction, looks killer, works well with the trophy hitch, a complete bolt together setup. If I haven't answered any questions, feel free to leave them down below, shoot us a phone call, send us an email. We'll be happy to help, and we'll see you guys on the next one.